If you want to find trash on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, let me show you what you can do. So if you removed some photos and videos using the Gallery app, then in here we should be able to switch to this category over here, to this list of different albums and so on and so forth. And then in here we should be able to scroll down in order to find recently deleted. Then in here you will find everything that has been removed within the last 30 days. Now, besides that, if you used the file manager, also made by Xiaomi, then in this case, unfortunately, you are not able to recover these files. There is no trash inside of this app. So whenever you decide to delete something using this app, it is gone forever, instantly. So unfortunately, no trash in this case. But if you use the Files app by Google, then in here you can find trash. So if you removed something using this app, then you can go to these three lines in the upper left corner, and then here we have the trash or bin option. And then here you can find everything that you removed in the last 30 days. Leave a like and subscribe.